very well coached. They'll know what they're doing. They make sure they won't let anything easy get into Tillman.
Dasher, Cispheile, Lehan, where Cispheile. Agus Tuspia, they should go and get there. Cispheile.
That in the cup final, and he made that first three, which is huge because it means Tillman's going to have to keep getting out to him all game.
Cispheile just Maragro, son.
His first two really upped his level in the second half of the season, which anyone who saw him play last couple of years in Division 1 would expect from him. A fabulous player when he's on his game.
You're talking about percentages, he's still at 100%.
Yeah, it's big. Again, Demons don't panic because they're in the game.
Buaicphointí Tillman. Desher score. And Robinson. Now she got finishing.
Yeah, Demons need to hit those open threes when he kicks it out. There's a pure three-point shooter in Andy McGee, but they can't afford to leave him in the game. That's what he's in there for.
Irene Killester score and I'm shoot. Robinson. Just second. Hannigan fighting a heel in her ball.
Yeah, you got to.
Lehan. Your Robinson. Reached Harold snapped there and Love Clay. Robinson he'd retrieve her by accident. No call for it.
Yeah, there barely seemed to be a gap there, but once he saw that little break, he went straight forward.
Carew, shuffling row. That's Spórt to get. May second and shot clock. Rouse of Dasher. Irelu Lehan. Cousin Lehan, Titten Dick. Go Baptiste. Shuffling Harold. Pushing for. Rouse.
Yeah, beautiful from Harold. Splits the gap there.
Listen. Dominos second and shot clock. Bully fair. Agus. On routine Gurta again. Row. Agus. Bale Harold. Now the cancer cousin touch again. Hasha Tracy a hugging tear for Robinson Gearma Harris Dasher. Rouse. Nova. Fought ball over Mulligan. Agus and Ish hot clap the hunt again. Dasher August Robinson. Keep an eye on Dasher and Robinson going forward, I think, Matt.
Yeah, there's definitely a few words being said, and both of them look to the top players in the league. Both of them are going to keep going at. Oh, that's a great shot from Harold.
On the right row, Harold. On noon Persuas na Corte. Tillman from Barney and that again. Great play by Tillman as well.
Yeah. Up 7, and Killester up 10 in the first half. Killester can score so quickly they won't worry about it, but Demons are just chipping away right back to the
case in point.
Yeah, just.
Dick. Snuffler. Go Westbrooks to go 3-point. New call for Westbrooks. A Hussigan play on a happiger for the 18 day the Pointí. It's a score and a fight to get carried in. Finish the Kieran.
Yeah, massive save from Kieran Rowe. That you see that ball firing around here at the beginning of this quarter.
General Montedol Marsha. 3 feet after Kieran Rowe. Rouse a Kieran. 3 Delors. Cousin Rowley Han. Put the match out. Dick. Kieran Rowe, 3 Delors. Isha the back. Dick. Shuffling Harold, dummy bill good Dasher. Gaheeman, Cushy up raw. Tillman, Leshin Rishin. Dasso Tillman. Robinson, Hannigan, 3 Delors. Big air off with it, needed that.
Yeah, and just.
Nish, Robinson, Buaicphointí. Hugging chip at Dasher. Neat Brendan. Give me a castigation out.
Yeah, Killester couldn't have played any better defense on that.
Christensen, just second and shot clock. Shuffling Lehan, the 3-point. Shot fighting. And you can play another Nish. On the Demons are full score. Rowe, 3 Delors. Captain to Captain. Colleen Robinson. Christensen, August, Tillman, and Cruz. Spórt stop. Robinson, no. Tillman, no. Robinson!
Massive score from Patrick Robinson. Tillman did just enough.
Níchafan, Orla, Spórt Hurta. Corrosion, Harold, Shea second. Hasha Thor for Buaicphointí. Oh, Buaicphointí. McKeever. Newchanga. August Shin. On the UCC Demons and Kailura. Ishi Chu. Champini on Super League. Then Theodore. Oh, Shea Sean Nail Boughton. And Buaicphointí. August Yiller. Good deal. Kademar has bought the So Robinson. Buaicphointí. August. Nahian at home. Sausta. Some finish.
Wow. Never want to criticise anyone. Harold made shots. He felt he was open there from deep. Quick shot hand. It looked good.
Buckley. David Lehan. Hogan of Victory Super League. The car. Fair boys. Oh. The UCC Demons. Peter go home on. Go put Ian to be our born Super League. Like there on the spot.